Culbert. I'm a teaching artist for Methow Arts, a nonprofit arts organization in Twist. Today we're making viewfinders. So viewfinders are a really useful tool for helping to frame what you're going to draw. So if you're drawing landscapes, it's a really great tool to have. For this activity, you will need a piece of cardboard, and if it's preferably the thin type of cardboard that comes in cereal boxes instead of the thick cardboard that you might get like a present in. So a piece of cardboard, a pencil, a pair of scissors, and a piece of paper or a sketchbook that you'd like to do a little sketch in. Great. Let's start by taking our piece of cardboard or a cardboard box, and I'm just going to cut mine open. So I'm going to cut along a seam so that this blank part of the cardboard is exposed. Now I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to draw a little rectangle. So about the width of my hand is going to be the width of my rectangle. So similar to the size of your hand, and I'm just going to draw it on the cardboard here. And then I'm going to draw a slightly smaller rectangle inside of it. So about the width of your finger. It's like we're making a little picture frame here. And the frame is going to be about the width of your finger. Great. Now we're going to cut out around this outer edge, so our bigger rectangle. We're going to go ahead and cut it out. And we can set the rest of our cardboard aside. And this is the beginning of our viewfinder. And now we just need to cut out this little inner rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half with the part that we've drawn on the outside. So not like this, but like this. And now I'm going to take my scissors and just cut along the line, and it'll be cutting both sides as I do that. So I'm cutting out the little rectangle now. And here we have our viewfinder. So you should have something that looks kind of like a picture frame. And if you ended up and accidentally cut through it and now you have a gap, you can just use a little bit of tape and tape it back together, and that should work fine. Great, so now we're going to look at how to use our viewfinders. So find a nice spot that you like the look of what's around you, and practice holding your viewfinder up, and you can hold it either kind of out at arm's length or bring it in towards you close to your body. And you'll see that your viewfinder is kind of like a picture frame. Oh, and you do need to close one eye to look through it. So close one of your eyes and look through it, and you'll see that it's like framing something you see with a picture frame. And as I pull it towards me, there's going to be more and more in my picture frame. And as I move it away, I'm going to see less and less, a smaller view. And then I could move it up, I could move it down, I could move it over. And this is a great way to find what we call a composition that we'd like to draw. So kind of a framed area that we would like to sketch or draw or paint. So once you've found a place that you like, then remember where you had your arm. And you can take your paper and your pencil, and you can even just trace the small rectangle in your viewfinder. And you get a small rectangle on your paper that'll be kind of the same shape as your viewfinder. And this is just for a little sketch. So I'll hold it up again to the spot I like, and I'll look at, okay, in the bottom I see some river rocks and a rapid. So I'm just going to really quickly sketch, meaning it's not a finished drawing. I'm just kind of doing quick lines to show where things go. And I see a rock jutting out. And you kind of have to keep, hold it up, look through it, and then take it down as you draw. I mean, unless you have 3 hands, which would be really useful for this project. Okay, and there I kind of have my quick little sketch that I used with my viewfinder. And then I could, go ahead and do another second rectangle and find a second view that I like. Maybe this time I hold it closer to my face so I get a larger view in. I hope you enjoyed making viewfinders with me today. I hope you have fun exploring different views that you could frame and sketch, and then maybe you could take it home and paint it or do a drawing of it. Could be really fun. So thanks for joining me. See you next time.